In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose high converting items on Clickbank. The goal is simple. Pick products that already prove they sell, have strong funnels, and match what buyers constantly want. We'll follow a clear system so you can evaluate offers with confidence. Start by heading to the Clickbank Marketplace at clickbank.com Marketplace and look for the Gravity score on each offer. Gravity shows how many affiliates have made recent sales with that product. As a rule of thumb, a Gravity between 20 and 100 signals strong. Proven sales, 10 to 20 is workable but less validated, and below 10 usually means weak or untested. This metric is powerful because it reflects current momentum, not just historical popularity. Next, focus on evergreen niches where people spend money year-round. Health, money, relationships, and self-improvement consistently outperform random or novelty topics. Think weight loss and fitness inside health, make money online or investing inside money, dating and marriage and relationships, and confidence or habit building and self-improvement. Staying within these categories gives you a larger, more predictable pool of buyers. Now check EPC, which stands for earnings per click. This is the average amount affiliates earn per click they send. A higher EPC suggests the offer converts well and the funnel captures more value. If you see low EPC, even when Gravity looks good, it can mean the funnel isn't efficient or only certain traffic types are working. Compare EPC across similar products in the same niche to get a fair reading. Open the sales page and evaluate it like a buyer. You want a clear problem to solution flow, strong and believable headlines, real testimonials, and ideally a video sales page that keeps attention. Red flags include confusing layouts, exaggerated promises, or anything that looks spammy. If the page doesn't build trust quickly, conversions will suffer. Check the commission details. Ideally, aim for 30 to 150 per sale and a commission rate between 50% and 75%. That range typically balances solid payouts with decent conversion rates. Extremely high tickets can be tempting, but make sure the pricing aligns with what your audience will realistically buy. Look for a real funnel behind the front-end offer. Upsells, downsells, and an email follow-up system increase your earnings per buyer and smooth out ad costs. Many vendors outline their funnel on an affiliate resources page, which is a great sign. Finally, validate with external proof. Search for the product on YouTube, TikTok, and Google with the word review. If you see active recent promotion and consistent feedback, it's a strong indicator the offer is converting in the market right now.